Hey guys, this is Sad Man, and today I got a pretty cool camcorder to show you. It's the Sony Handycam, or more specifically, the Sony Handycam DCR-DVD200. And what makes this camcorder so cool is that it takes mini DVDs like these right here. They're the official Sony Handycam mini DVDs. And this camcorder came out in 2003, and I got it at Goodwill for $15.50. And however, the camcorder that I got at Goodwill was broken, but it did come with this case, and it came with these 3 mini DVDs, double-sided DVD-RW, and 2 DVD-Rs that are single-sided. And it also came with this power adapter, Sony's proprietary adapter, which takes this connector. And it also came with its manuals. Here's the manual right there. And it also came with a battery, but I'm not using that because it's an old battery. I'm using an aftermarket battery that I have right here. It also came with this remote right here. And here's the remote. Let me put it back. And it also came with another battery that I'm also not using because it's also an old battery. Oh, it fell. And it also came with a mini USB cable, and an AV out cable. That's RCA's composite video. And since the camcorder I got at Goodwill was broken, I decided to buy a replacement on eBay. And it was pretty expensive, but I was able to make an offer, and the seller sold it to me for half the price. So it was a pretty good deal. And not only that, but even came with this little lens right here. It just screws onto the camcorder. And I'm gonna turn the camcorder on. I'm just gonna shake this lens cover off. Pull the viewfinder out. Pull the screen out. And now I'm gonna turn it on. And now it's on. Anyway, here are some test pictures and test videos that I've taken with this camcorder. Here is the test video for the Sony Handycam, and right now you can see the trees and the bushes and hear the birds. Anyway, that's the end of the test video right now. Bye. Alright, now here's the video in widescreen mode, and right now you can hear the birds and the wind. It's a windy day right now, and you can see the trees and the bushes. And anyway, that's the end of this test video right now. Hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, I also want to show you that you can also close this LCD and you can view the picture through the viewfinder. The viewfinder is not broken, it's just hard to see through this camera that I'm using. And you could also turn the night shot. Here you could turn the night shot on. You're saying and I'll turn it back off. And there's super night shot right there, that little button. And here you can see a W right here and a T right here. This does you can zoom in and zoom out, and I'll demonstrate for you right now. And here you can see the exposure button, the focus button, and the near and far wheel. And I check this off. There's the audio video out and yes video out. And here, right under this little flap, is a mini USB port and a LAN remote port. And I shake this little flap up. And here's the microphone port, plug-in power. And right here is the mounting shoe. And right here are some more buttons: backlight, fader, and review. And there's also play, pause, stop, previous, and next. And right here is a little power connector port. Now let me go to set. For the manual set for the video mode, there's program AE, P effect, D effect, white balance, and auto shutter. And here's the camera settings: self timer, digital zoom. You could set 16:9 widescreen mode on and off. Like this. You can set steady shot, the night shot light, and then you go to LCD/VF set, the disc set, the set menu, and other stuff. And I'm going to set to there are 3 modes: video, camera, and playback. I'm going to set to camera. And for the camera setup, there's the manual setup, the program AE, and the white balance. And as you can see, flash mode and flash level are both grayed out. And for the camera settings, there's a self timer, the burst, the quality, which can be fine and standard, the image size, which can be either 1152 by 864 or 640 by 480, and the night shot light. And there's also LCD/VF settings, disc settings, set menu, and others. Anyway, that's all I have to say for the Sony Handycam. Hope you enjoyed it.